Hello students, today we will understand how to attempt questions. So in last class I have taught you a theorem that is called basic proportionality theorem. Today we will start exercise 6.2. I have solved some questions. You try to understand. If you get any problem then you ask me. Question number 2, it is given in this question that in triangle PQR, E and F are the points on the sides. It is not given about the point, only it is given that E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR. For each of the following cases, there are given some cases in the question. We have to state whether EF parallel QR. So we have to check that in which case, in which part of the question is it is EF parallel QR parallel or not. So we will use students BPT, basic proportionality theorem, and we will suppose here case first, the first part of the question. We will write here, it is given the length of PE and EQ. So we write PE by EQ is equal to, it is given 3.9 by 3. We will cancel it, we will get 1.3. Again we find PF by FR. We get 3.6 by 2.4. It is given is equal to 3 by 2. It is 1.5. Look here students, here PE by EQ and PF by FR not equals. So we will write here PE by EQ not equal to PF by FR. Therefore, EF is not parallel to QR in this case, in first case. Similarly, we will check case 2, that is PE by EQ is equal to, it is given PE is 4, so we write 4 by 4.5. We will solve, we will cancel it, we will get, when we will remove the decimal of the denominator, we get 40. So 40 by 45, we can cancel it. It is 8 by 9. Again we find PF by FR, it is already given 8, PF is 8, FR is 9. So PF by FR is equal to 8 by 9. In this case students, it is clear that PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. This implies we can say that EF parallel QR. So for this case EF parallel QR. Similarly we will attempt part third of this question. You will do it. Now come to the question number 3. It is given the figure, and in triangle ABC LM parallel CB it is given. So we can say that AM by AB is equal to AL by AC by basic proportionality theorem. Suppose this is first equation. In triangle ADC it is given LN parallel CD, so we can say that AN by AD is equal to AL by AC. It is also BPT, second equation we suppose. Now we compare from first and second. Here students, AL by AC, look the RHS, right hand side of the equation, first and second, both are equal. So in any two equations, if RHS are equal, so LHS must be equal. That's why we can say that from first and second, AM by AB, the LHS of the first equation, is equal to LHS of the second equation, AN by AD. This is fine students. Now come to the next question. This is question number 5. In this question in triangle POQ. Look the students, POQ. This figure is given in the question. So in triangle POQ, it is given that DE parallel OQ. So we can say that PE, look the figure, PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. It is very clear using Thales theorem. This is basic proportionality theorem which we have understood in last class. Similarly, in triangle POR, DF parallel OR. So we can say PF by FR is equal to PD by DO. This is second equation we suppose. Look students, in first and second equations, RHS PD by DO both are same, equal. So LHS must be equal. We know this. So from first and second, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Therefore, EF parallel QR. We can say it. It is proved. Now another question, question number 6 from this exercise 6.2. In triangle PQR, it is given AB parallel PQ. AB parallel PQ. It is very clear in the figure. AB inside the triangle PQR. We can see here. It is given that AB parallel PQ. So using BPT, we can say that OA by OA by AP look the figure carefully students, then it will be easy, otherwise you will get problem. In triangle OPQ, look carefully, in triangle OPQ, AB is parallel to PQ, so we take OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. This is first equation. And in triangle POR, look the triangle POR, it is given that AC is parallel to PR. So we can write OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. This is second equation. From first and second, here in these equations, left hand side is equal, so we will equate the RHS of the equation. So we have OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Therefore BC parallel QR by converse of basic proportionality theorem, hence proved. Students, you concentrate the figure, you remember the basic proportionality theorem, and then you will attempt another questions on the basis of BPT. You can solve like this. Okay students, fine.